That moment when you realize gravity isn't just a suggestion but you're committed to the fail anyway.
Megan has to go first. Alice yan. Good boy! Number 9, 4.6. Very good.
Так хочется ее укусить. Оп, оп.
You are mid-grooming and the existential dread hits you harder than the 3 a.m. Zoom eyes.
What? What the fuck?
The orange cat energy hits a little too hard and your gravity settings are set to random. This ginger POV when you find out I am not actually a dog but a tiny shadow with a snout.
You
try to play it cool but your dinner is actually a trained martial artist.
What is the point of being ugly right now? Just stop it. If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my!
Exact moment a corgi realizes its tiny legs were designed for aesthetic. Realize that dramatic dog energy is actually contagious. Starting the week like a Shiba but ending it with a total existential cat collapse. Exact moment he realized that his cat's parkour phase is going to cost him the entire security deposit.
Are you kidding me, Lilo?
Look what he did. He snuck out. I had it closed, and now he's gonna get right back in. Look at him. Oh, Huggy.
I thought the floor was wood, but apparently, it is actually lava given how fast that cat just recalculates its entire life.
Another day of doing nothing.
In the big belly, you're just so nice all the time. You're just a big, big boy.
Your ambition is 6 feet wide, but your doorway is only 2. Try to help your friend with their life, but you are also just a tiny kitten with 0 upper body strength and a very fluffy rug working against you. The soul of Mozart but the paws of a creature that still tries to eat its own tail.
Ooh. Ooh.
That awkward moment when the high five turns into a slow motion slap and now you are both just standing there questioning the friendship.
Yeah.
Precise moment he realized he is the main. Fishing in the bushes and caught a rare calico land trout. It put up a good fight, but it mostly just wanted to know why we were leaving the yard. You ask your horse for a picture, but they already have the zoom eyes. The blind hits the window just right and you realize your dog is actually a metronome. Precise moment his brain goes from 0 to 100% meat-driven instinct. One snack and he has seen the beginning and end of time.
Hold on.
Bird is currently at stage 4 of its 5-step plan to discover exactly how many licks it takes to get to the center of a very grumpy Persian. If the cat's face gets any flatter, it will officially become a rug. You're trying to enjoy a nice head scratch, but the single orange brain cell suddenly loses connection to the server. Him to go to sleep and he chose violence instead. One of us is told the plumber I wanted it fixed today and he said he had his best man on it. He was not kidding. Instructions were clear: work for the food, don't eat the puzzle. But when you have 2 brain cells and they are both fighting for 3rd place, the green plastic starts looking like a gourmet snack. Efficiency is overrated when you can... You ask your toxic ex to stop...
Consumo di stupefianti estintersi
Looking for my homework, but all I found was a cat who thinks my backpack is a 5-star hotel.
Kenny.
You have to submit your final paper at midnight, but your cat has already filed a restraining order against you leaving the bed. Moment when the cat realizes the weird dog in the diaper is actually a kangaroo and suddenly decides that today is a very good day to stay on the other side of the room. You try to use your cat as a VR headset, but the hardware is still loading.
No.
Factory reset successful. System restored to long cat mode. Try to act cool in front of your crush, but physics and a ceramic roof have other plans for your reputation. Mission failed successfully. Try to surprise your boss, but remember they have a black belt in disappointment.
Yeah.
You're trying to enjoy a quiet snack and your roommate starts asking for a bite. You are 5 minutes into the hug and realize you forgot to be a...
Olsun bir şey olmaz değil mi? Bir şey olmaz. Anne bir şey olmaz. Ya bir şey olmaz.
Try to play tough, but the lamb has zero respect for your personal space or your street cred. Convinced, this dog is rethinking every life choice while getting aggressively snuggled into submission. Intrusive thoughts won before the progress bar even reached 50%. Buy floral pants specifically to blend in with the garden, but your cat still finds you and decides your legs are the new... The manager tries to tell you there is no budget for raises while they are wearing a brand new custom suit.
Ты, сука, выпутал, что ли? Смотри, она все равно идет.
Local cat discovers the forbidden wind and is currently 3% away from achieving liftoff. If he figures out the oscillation button, we are all in serious trouble. Gravity is merely a suggestion that this cat has decided to ignore completely.
Слышала этот грохот. Я прихожу, елка лежит. Что вы думаете, знаете, где мои коты? Одна сидит в сковородке, в новой, как ни в чем не бывало. Кто елку уронил? Кто уронил елку? Ей вообще пофиг. А второй, смотрите, куда.
Bring a zebra to a cat fight, but the dog just wants to know if it's his turn to use the brain cell yet. Press the loaf button and the alarm went off.
Ну, давай. Бэтмен или Человек-паук?
You're going to ignore my Slack messages. I'm going to have to reach out and...
Do you like it when I'm in your spot? No. You probably don't like it.
You are midway through a bath and remember you forgot to clear your search history. Cat is currently recalculating every life choice that led to this moment.
He had these for...
The catnip finally hits and you accidentally trigger the spin cycle.
А!